everyone, it's Joanne. I absolutely love the silicone cooking utensil set that I was able to find. It is the mint green color, which I love, and it looks beautiful in my kitchen. And the wooden handles add a nice touch of natural charm. We have used these daily for everything, from flipping eggs to stirring soup, and they've held up incredibly well. The silicone heads are soft enough to protect any of our nonstick pans, but they're sturdy enough to stir, scrape, flip with these. No melting, no bending, even when I'm cooking at high heat. And they are high heat resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, so I never have to worry about the warping. The utensil holder is a huge bonus, keeps them nice and neat, and it looks good on my countertop. And when I'm done, I just wash with soapy water, rinse them, put them back in here for drying. It has a hole at the bottom so it drains off any excess water so they can air dry. This 12-piece set has everything I need. It has the tongs, it has the spatulas, it has a ladle even, I love it, and it has a whisk in here. It's got so much more, 12-piece. We love using it. It's perfect on our countertop. It would be a perfect gift for someone. I love the combo style, quality, and the value. We love it.